Okay, this is very short video. This can be very short video because we will talk about the booleans. Boolean is also a data type. I've talked about integer, float, complex, and string, and this is boolean. As I said, that boolean is only true and false. It will tell the condition, or the overall it stands for a condition. So it is either true or false. So it can be also called as 0 and 1. So why we use these booleans? We use these booleans to control the flow of programs. Like for example, as a student, true. Okay, now let's print the student. As student, what will be the output? True. If it gets false, we have some other conditions. But overall, the boolean is very simple because it has two conditions, either true or false. So you have to know this, and you have to know the usage of this. So this is very easy. And one more thing I must tell you, that about comments in Python. So comments in Python is very important, and in every programming language, if you are a coder, if you are a programmer, you have to know this. So comment is very important because sometimes some lines of the course you cannot keep like that, and you want to have that should be like that. So because it tells something or instruction, so you can comment that line and you have something. Like for example, it will tell printing the students status. Okay, when other developers go through and see here, like for example, the project becomes very big, very large, and you work with a great team around the globe, teams around the globe, like someone is working from Europe and someone working from other country. If you want to work with them and you want to have everything cleared and everything understandable to everyone, so you have to know this, the comment very well. You have to comment out some lines of code, some like functions, classes, like functionalities, because you will understand, and other developers also will understand what here works. So comment in Python, when you select a line or you just keep the cursor on a line, if you are on Mac, if you are on the Mac, you just have the command slash, or if you are on Windows or any other like machine, so control slash. So control slash will comment out, and control slash will uncomment the line. So this is also very important topic which I have covered here.